Look in here. Small arrow must be face down. You need to connect the application to the lock. First, download the app. Go to the App Store. Search the application name TTLock. TTLock. Here's the TTLock. And after you install and register by your phone, you must go to the system setting, find the application. Look. Allow all the notification, give the access authority and the notify authority to this application. Look, notifications all allow, don't deny. Location, contacts, Bluetooth, network, face, Siri search. Now return to the application. And now, open the app. Touch the keypad of the smart lock.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
And now, touch here. And lock. Door lock. Next. Okay, look at it. Here's the plug sign. Touch it.
Adding administrator successful.
So now the lock is connected to the application. Just the name of this lock. Go to settings. Look at here the basic and set up the group of the lock. Never forget to turn on the Bluetooth. Touch the keypad and here the lock is unlocked. Very simple. Pull up to unlock. Bluetooth, passcode, IC card, fingerprint, and remote authorized enemy and records and settings. Let's specify one by one. Let's see the E keys. Touch the E keys. Send E key. So there is a timed,
permanent,
one time and recurring. Let's input receiver's account. The account can be email or can be the cell phone number. And give this Bluetooth E key a name. For example, this E key is sent to Jim. You can set the start time, for example, from today, this time, and you want this E keys to be valid in the next 2 days. Okay, so D means day, M means month, H means an hour, M means minute. December the 20th, 10 a.m., the 21st minute. So 2 days later, this Bluetooth E key will expire and allow remote unlock. That means if you turn on this switch, the receiver can remote unlock this lock. Remote unlock means you can unlock by the internet. Let's send. Okay.
permanent,
It's forever valid. One time it is one time valid. Recurring is very interesting. It's used for if you have home service, for example, home service the account, okay, receipt, and the home service maybe is carry. Okay, carry is the home service, and carry will start her work today and in the next 3 months. So from December 18 to March 18. In the next 3 months, and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So every month, every week, 3 days, from 8:13 to 12:13. Every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, from 8:13 to 12:13. 4 hours. Carry can use this Bluetooth E-key to unlock the door and send. And let's see the passcode. Generate the passcode. It has
5 options. Permanent.
timed, one time, custom and recurring, 5 optional.
Permanent.
Password is forever. For example, let's create a password. For example, name is Frank. Okay, this is password. Let's input the password. 126949. After you input the code, you must end up with a pound key. Unlock. Okay, so this password works. Share the password by the SIM, by email, and also you can buy WeChat, by WhatsApp. Timed means, for example, you use this lock in the hotel. You can set this password work only 1 day, 2 day, 1 month. For example, let's set it 1 day. Okay, so tomorrow the password will expire. For example, this is for room 101. Okay, let's try this password. 9116879. End up with pound key. Unlock. The one time means the password we work only 1 time and then expire immediately. Custom means you can set up your own password, then it's easy to remember. But if you want to set the custom password, your smartphone must be close to the lock. This is the first condition. The second condition is your lock is connected to the gateway, and you can remote setting the custom password. Let's see the cards. Touch cards, touch end card, and let's input.
Permanent card.
For example, the card name is Cat. Next, and now look at. So there is a voice in the lock said, "Please wipe your card." So look, here is a small word card here on the screen. So you put the card. Very simple. Just read the card. Finish. You can delete the card and the fingerprint. How to register the my fingerprint? Fingerprint. Touch fingerprint and the fingerprint.
Let's set a permanent fingerprint.
Set a name for the fingerprint. Frank. My name is my name. Okay. Look and lock. Next. And then start.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
Sensor is flashing to tell you to read it.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
So every time you read your finger, you need to read different area of your finger. You need to read 4 times fingers.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
Each time you read different area. This first time here, second time here, third time here, fourth time here.
Press your finger on the sensor.
Let's use this finger.
Please press again.
First time, look at the screen.
Please press again.
Second time,
Please press again. Input successful.
successfully. Let's read it. Unlock. And I slide left and I touch delete, so I can delete the finger. And this lock also has a function with remote. Touch the remote and remote. Let's set remote time limit from 2023 to 2024 December, and give the remote a name. Look at here. Follow the instructions. It tells you to long press the locking key for 5 seconds. This is the lock key. This is the unlock key. Long press this key 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the red light will flash. And now touch next. There is a plug sign. Touch it. Okay. Now ended successfully. Press the unlock on the remote. Unlock. So the remote worked successfully. Records. So all the operation. Anytime I unlock by password, by finger, by card, by remote, by Bluetooth. So anytime anyone unlock the door, you can see the record. Go to the setting. You can set the name of the lock, and also you can set the group of the lock here. You can also create a new group for this lock. Remote unlock, you can turn on or turn off. If you turn on, that means you can remote unlock by the gateway. You can unlock the lock anywhere on the earth by the internet. Let's test what is remote unlock. This is a remote unlock. I touch remote unlock. That means I'm unlocked by the internet. Passage mode. That means if you turn on the passage mode, this lock will be always open. No need to read your finger, password, or card. Firmware update. You can update the lock by touch this button. You can
Connect.
log to the Amazon Alexa and the Google Home. On the attendance, turn on the attendance.